Shaanxi Bolin Biotechnology Co., Limited, is a national high-tech enterprise integrating the research and development, production, sales, and export trade of plant extracts. The company is committed to providing plant extract, raw materials for the global health food industry, functional food and beverage industry, pharmaceutical and cosmetics industry, pesticide and feed industry, etc. As of 2025, Bolin has obtained more than 50 intellectual property rights and patent inventions. The factory has passed ISO 9001, ISO 22000, kosher, HALO, and obtained FDA, QS, and SC certifications. We focus on the precise extraction of natural plant active ingredients and strive to become a world-class supplier of raw materials for the health industry.